Hey, halfway to Moves Day here, Chicago Park District. Today we're going to be making a Halloween smoothie. We're going to use the rule of 2, 2, and 2. So we'll have 2 as our liquid. We have almond milk with a little bit of vanilla in it. You can use skim milk if you want. You can use any kind of milk. That's just going to help you make it liquid. The other 2 is vegetable. So we have spinach to make it green for Halloween. And then 2 cups of fruit. So 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of vegetable, and 2 cups of fruit. All right, so usually when you're blending, you want to put the items that are easiest to blend closest to the blade so that everything mixes. The blade we have here is multi-tiered, so it's going to be fine wherever we put the items. Alright, so we've gone and added all of our items to the blender, we've blended it, and now we're going to pour it into some cups where we've drawn some Frankenstein faces on, and then we're going to use blueberries for Frankenstein's hair.